Can a swimming pool be closed permanently? The answer would depend on the type of pool that you have, but pretty much across the board, you're going to find out that you can't close a pool permanently. They're really not built to do that. If the pool needs to have water in it for the structural integrity and hydrostatic balancing within the ground. That's how swimming pools work. And if you want to close your pool for a long period of time, you might be thinking, well, I might just drain it down or drain the water altogether. Well, the pool needs the weight of the water in it to balance it within the ground and help resist the forces pushing inwards on the wall. So the pool is designed to need that water inside of there. So you can't really just remove it. And you're thinking, well, what if I just remove a little bit or something like that? And it's like, well, now it's stagnant. You can't run the filtration system if you lower the water level. So now you have a stagnant swamp in your backyard, and you would be shocked to learn how foul a stagnant swimming pool can and will smell if you leave it for any length of time, really. A swimming pool might be closed in a seasonal climate for 3 to 6 months a year or more, but those are during cold months. When you try to close a swimming pool during hot summer months and you just have stagnant water under a cover, it gets shockingly foul very quickly, and you'd be surprised how quickly your neighbors start complaining about the smell that's coming from your backyard. A lot of places even have bylaws in place that state that you have to open your swimming pool. You cannot just elect to leave it closed because there really isn't a good manner in which to do so. So, while you could attempt to close your pool permanently by just not using it, most likely you're going to be looking at a full renovation of your pool system in order to get it going again. And that's the reality. No matter what kind of pool you have, if you just turn it off and walk away for a period of time, like a couple of years, there's a good chance that when you come back, you're going to be looking at leaks, and you're going to be looking at structural cracks. You're going to be looking at new interior surface, whether that means a new liner for a vinyl liner pool or new plaster and tile for a concrete pool. Perhaps you'd need a new gel coat on a fiberglass pool because the water chemistry got so bad it just destroyed the gel coat on your fiberglass pool. So, can you close a pool permanently? Well, you can close it, but don't expect it to open back up again without some serious investment into getting it going. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.